So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect business email on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is open up your admin panel on Shopify. You can see home, orders, customers, analytics, online store, apps, as well as settings. Now through here, I suggest you first go to settings. From here, you can see general billing, payments, checkout, locations, and stuff like that. There's a few ways that you can go about this. So from the notifications page first, you can use the sender email your store uses to send emails to your customers, so you can change it to your business email that you set up either through some third party like maybe Yahoo, or if you're using Gmail, stuff like that. And you can see your customer as well as staff notifications, so you can really use business emails on Shopify through here. You can also go to domains, and once you've set up your domain, you can choose the email that's going to be connected with that domain through here. And you can also use apps on the Shopify platform, which will be for email hosting, so you can more easily link your business email with Shopify system as well. So let's just choose email on here, so you can see email marketing and stuff like that. So let's just search on here and see some of the, you can see Shopify email marketing made for commerce, so you can use some of that. You can see email marketing and SMS, and you can use some of the apps that will help you really use that business email correctly. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.